Welcome to day 5 of our 15 days real estate awareness challenge. So, today we're talking about something that could make or break you when it comes to land investment right here in Nigeria. It is a serious topic, it is a hot topic. The title of today's session is What? How to verify your land before you buy. Hmm. As little as this might sound, this is very key. It is very important because without verification, trust me, you could be losing your millions in this real estate industry. So, how do you make sure that you are not walking into a trap? Now, the first step is you have to ask for the title document. You have to confirm if that particular property have a C of O or a gazette or an excision or a deed of assignment. Very important. If the seller cannot produce any valid document or gives excuses, then that is a what? Major red flag. So the next step is you have to engage a licensed surveyor and verify the survey plan. Very key. So let them check the exact coordinates to confirm whether the land is under government acquisition or whether it's a committed land or freehold. This step is very crucial. Oh, take notes. So a surveyor doesn't just interpret the map, but they protect you from buying land that is government owned already, because from that coordinate they would go make their findings, verification, and get back to you with whatever they find, if that land is actually free or not, before you invest in it. Next step is what? You have to conduct a land search at the state's land registry. Very crucial, very key. For Lagos, it is what? Alausa. That is where those search are being conducted, right here in Lagos, because I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. So here you can confirm if the land is genuinely registered or who the real owner is, and whether there are legal issues, family disputes, court cases, or mortgages tied to it. So with this, you can verify, make all your findings, because you need it. You sure do not want to miss out, like lose out on your millions because you skipped the verification stage. Very crucial. Next up, which is the step 4, you have to go beyond paperwork. Now you have to do field work. You have to speak with the locals, ask if there's any ongoing disputes, any multiple claims or any omonile drama. Never rely solely on what the seller tells you. Even genuine owners might not disclose everything. So it's just like when you're actually renting a house. Let me use that for an example. And you go into a neighborhood and they tell you, oh, this place is good and all of that. Then you now meet someone just by the roadside or in that street selling something that has been in that environment for a while, and you just ask, how is this area, or how are things? And they tell you, don't come here. In fact, me, if I have my way, I would leave. Or they now tell you, no, the environment is peaceful, everywhere is okay. So with that, you can now know that, okay, you can settle in fully and all of that. Next up is what? Work with what? Professionals. Very important. Don't go on the journey alone, because it can be very draining if you do that, and it can also cost you your millions if you want to skip some certain steps. So this means that you have to get like a registered real estate company, a property lawyer, and a licensed what? Surveyor. Very key. Avoid shortcuts. Don't let a cheap land blind you. You say that this particular property, oh, it's cheap, is that, you just go for it. Don't allow that allow you take decisions that you don't want to do your proper verification, because it might cost a little, but in the long run it might cost you a lot. Okay, so at Eliozia Properties, we have helped clients avoid these heartbreaks by doing the hard work for them through due diligence, document verification, and clean transactions. You deserve safe investment and not legal battles, because it is not one you should fight. So don't forget to like this video, to share and save this, or share to someone that you know might be needing this, because it is very important that people get to know how the system works. People get to know how things are being done right here in the real estate industry. So make sure you join us tomorrow for day 6, because it's also going to be power packed, and we're going to be exposing some of the top red flags out there, that things you need to watch out for when you want to buy a land. So make sure you are not missing out, because it's going to be big. So stay smart, stay protected at Eliozia Properties, building trust one property at a time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.